Most of the people don't lose their dreams because they're not smart enough or talented enough. They lose them because of time. They allow time to slip away without even noticing it. If you end your day thinking, "Where did all my time go?" This video is going to change your life forever. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your time effectively. You don't need more time, but you need more clarity. Time isn't something you manage, it is something you direct. If you don't direct your time will direct you. Trap number 1: micro distractions, silent killers of your focus. Every distraction forces your brain to reboot. Trap number 2: busy but not productive. This gives you the illusion of product. Trap number 3: emotional time loss. When you lack motivation, time evaporates. Time management is actually about your state of mind. The 4 pillars of an effective system. Pillar 1: priorities. If everything matters, nothing matters. What are the 3 things I must get done today? Pillar 2: planning. Direct your day, don't react to it. Pillar 3: focus. Ignore the noise and finish what you start. Pillar 4: energy. Time means nothing if your energy is gone. Time management is actually energy management. Use the clean, powerful 3-1-1 system. 3 high-value tasks. 1 growth task. 1 maintenance task. You waste time because you're trying to avoid a feeling. Time management is emotional management. You just need momentum. Start for 5 minutes. Time is not something you find, it's something you create. Your new life starts now.